All right, well, we're about halfway done with painting it. Let's see what we've done. Here is the body. It's a little hazy because my phone has been facing up. But yeah, you can see that we're getting good coverage on everything. I'm not thinning the paint too much, so it's less likely to run, and I can goop it on real thick. We have put hardener in it though. It's coming out. I need to get the steering column painted before I forget to do that. It's looking good. It's definitely going to be sealed up. And if we keep it out of the salt, it really should have no more issues with rust after this. Okay, and here we have it. Got a little bit of a run coming in there, but it is what it is. I'm not trying to make this thing perfect. On a working restoration, this thing's going to get beat up, especially when I have kids. And I don't want to be like, oh God, don't scratch it. It's perfect. I want to keep it perfect. So this thing's going to be used, and it's going to be driven, and it's going to be enjoyed. And it's not like I don't have the ability to redo it for a second time if I really want to. So we got it covered. It's looking good. Got a nice thick paint job on there. Means it'll seal it up for years to come, especially if I keep it dry. It's looking good. I've got to add another coat to these parts here, and then I will show you guys the cab. And here is the cab. Now, after fighting this particular piece of glass for an hour and a half, I had to grease it with axle grease to get it to pop in there. I decided to call a windshield company, Schmitty's Auto Glass, out of Effingham. Were the ones they came through. They got it done today. I ended up leaving the Lunar Rover in there because it's kind of an homage to the old owners. And yeah, we got the auto glass in. We got all of the glass in. It's looking good. It's taking shape. I love it. It's so good. And then we got the doors done. They got the glass popped in. That was just a nightmare to put that one in. My thumbs felt like they were going to break off. They're still sore. So I called the pros in. They did not disappoint. They got all the glass in, and they actually had to fight it. So it was not easy. It was not easy, that's for sure. I am so glad I called them. That just made my entire day easier for sure. So the cab is looking good. Doors are looking good. This is another episode on Tiny, the great Cushman executive utility vehicle. This is where I'm going to end the video. I got blue paint all over me and my beard. You can see it there. So follow along for more. We're going to let Tiny harden up, and we're going to start working up his small ancillary components. Subscribe and share this video if you'd like. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.